Alright, Zelda's Lullaby with Rhythm. So, probably should keep that down so you can see my leg going up and down. Obviously you can't see my foot, but hopefully that helps. Alright, so let's see. How about I start with the part that was most confusing. So, that rhythm starts... So let's look at the page like this. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines of tablature written out, right? So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to start on the middle one, or at line 3, bar 4. So the third line on the page, the very last bar where it has the 10th fret written, and then it says 8 and 7 on the tab. So I'm going to play the rhythm that happens there in the next bar, at least 4 times. So this way you can practice getting the hang of that. And alright, so like we talked about, because there's a lot of space, empty space in this stuff, count every 1, 2, 3. And when the and comes in, make sure you say that as well. So don't count out 1 and 2 and 3 and the whole time. Make sure you count the 1, 2, 3 the whole time. Only say the and if it's underlined. Okay, so here we go with the challenging rhythm section. So I'll count off 3 so you know when I'm going to begin. And I'm counting off 3 because it's a 3 count underneath the bar. Alright, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, and 2, 3. 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 1, 2, 3, and 1, and 2. Alright, so hopefully that's enough repetitions there. And I'll go ahead and just run through the whole thing now. And yeah, break it up into as many small chunks as you want to while you're practicing on your own. But here we go from the beginning. And I guess just to recap on some of the repeat stuff. So you see where the first repeat sign comes in is on the last bar of the second line. So that means you go back to the very start of the piece and you play bars 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then after you play the 5th bar, after you started the repeat, jump straight down below that, so you're on line 3. So basically, notice the brackets where it's going across 3 bars and it has the number 1 at the beginning of it. That's because that happens on the first time. And then you see a partial bracket with the number 2 underneath it. That's because that's what you play on the second time through. So that's why those are numbered that way. So hopefully that makes sense. So here we go on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, and 2, 3, 1, and that is that. Alright, I think once you get the hang of that, we'll actually count out to the actual song too. I think that might make it a bit more entertaining and fun. So we'll see you on Sunday, and hope you get some good news from the doctor on the 1st. Yeah, we'll see you soon.